Hi everyone and welcome back. So in today's video I am going to review Minimalist's Sepicalm 3% plus Oat Moisturizer. In case you guys don't know, this launched a while ago, about 2 to 3 months ago I feel, and I instantly bought it when it launched because I was in a search of a good fragrance free moisturizer, although I have some, but I just keep searching for new moisturizers. This retails for rupees 349 for 50 ml of product. By now you must be aware of the fact that beMINIMALIST is a very clean brand, which means they make their 6 clean beauty promises, which is no fragrance, no silicones, no parabens, no essential oils, no dyes, and no sulfates. So basically this product is very clean, and the brand also claims that this is a super soothing moisturizer which can be used on acne prone skin as well and also oily skin, and this has a pH of 5.0 to 6.0. Now let's get to the packaging of this product. As you can see, this comes in a sleek black plastic tub, and on the inside the moisturizer has got a white color to it. So according to the brand, this is a lightweight moisturizer that hydrates, soothes and softens skin without oily, shiny or heavy residual feel. This has got a perfect blend of hydrators, emollients and occlusives for an all-day moisturization, and this is also suitable for normal, acne prone and sensitive skin. So basically this is an all-in-one moisturizer for all skin types. This moisturizer is a perfect blend of humectants, occlusives and emollients. This has got all three. Now before moving forward, what is a humectant, what is an occlusive and what is an emollient? Now humectants provide hydration to the skin, reducing dryness. Emollients on the other hand are responsible for moisturization. There is a difference between hydration and moisturization. In case you guys don't know, I'm gonna just throw it on the screen somewhere. Occlusives prevent transepidermal water loss by holding moisture inside. In case you guys don't know what's that, again I'm gonna throw it somewhere on the screen, probably here. If we have a look at their ingredient list, you can see that there are humectants, there are emollients, and there are also occlusives. Now this moisturizer is a soothing moisturizer, it's a calming moisturizer. This has not got a lot of, actives and all of that stuff. The reason why it's soothing is because this has got 3% Sepicalm, and Sepicalm is something in this moisturizer that can reduce irritation and redness, hence soothing your skin. Now how can you use this moisturizer? This is a normal moisturizer. You can use it like a normal moisturizer, obviously. During nighttime this has to be the last step in your skincare routine, and during daytime this has to be applied before sunscreen. This also has got oat extract and colloidal oat to further calm down the skin. So basically the two ingredients that are mentioned on the packaging in the front, that is Sepicalm and oat, are skin soothing ingredients. So this is a skin soothing light moisturizer. Now let's get to how it feels and whether it's actually meant for all skin types or not. I personally loved this moisturizer. I really liked it. I felt that it's very light on the skin, especially for my dry skin. I need intense moisturization, but I want to keep it light. So this not only works on a daily basis, it also works phenomenally under makeup, especially full coverage makeup. I've tried it under full coverage makeup several times and it did its best every time. I've tried it with different foundations. I've tried it with no makeup look. I have tried it under heavy SPF, light SPF. It works under everything basically. So yes, this is a really good all-in-one moisturizer. Now whether it calms your skin or not, I can't say a lot about that because I rarely get any irritation on my skin or redness. One thing I do want to mention over here is that the consistency of this moisturizer changed over time. Obviously this has got a white color to it. Initially when I bought it, it was very smooth, and I don't know whether it's because of this tub packaging. It looks like curd to me right now. It's slightly clumpy, not a lot, alright? It still blends on my skin, and it's been 2 months since I bought this moisturizer. It kind of looks like curd, and when I take it, like, it kind of slips, you guys. I am gonna give you close up. Obviously it kind of slips and I can't scoop a lot of product out, if I'm making any sense over here. When you blend it on the skin, it performs exactly the same. It moisturizes and it does what it claims, but it's just with the consistency. It became more curd-like with time, so I don't know why that's happening. It may be because of some ingredients. It's not a con actually, it's something that can totally be ignored, but just because it's my job to mention each and everything about a product that I'm reviewing, I had to mention it. Once you apply this product, you have to wait for at least, I'd say, 30 seconds to 45 seconds for it to get absorbed into your skin. Now, my final thoughts on this product are, number one, I love this moisturizer a lot. For my dry skin, definitely. For oily skin, acne prone skin and sensitive skin, I feel that this should work. However, a patch test is definitely recommended before trying this all over your face. That's it for the video. I hope you guys find it helpful. If you did, do not forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.